Dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied the importance of waters, and today we are going to study another very important topic, which is maintaining water quality. So, let's discuss in details. Maintaining water quality. Water is essential for life, but it must be clean and safe. Maintaining water quality means keeping water free from harmful impurities and pollutants. What is water quality? Water quality refers to the physical, chemical, and biological condition of water. Good quality water is clean, safe to drink, free from harmful substances. Poor quality water can cause diseases, environmental problems. Now, methods to maintain water quality. Water quality can be maintained by preventing pollution and treating water properly. Now, we discuss all these methods due to maintain water quality one by one and details. The first one, prevention of water pollution. The best way to maintain water quality is to prevent pollution. Means do not throw waste into rivers and lakes. Avoid dumping industrial waste into water bodies. Proper disposal of sewage. Reduce use of harmful chemicals and pesticides. Second one, proper waste management. Treat sewage before releasing into water. Dispose of garbage properly. Use recycling methods. This prevents contamination of water sources. The third one, water treatment methods. Water is treated to remove impurities and make it safe. Common methods include filtration, means remove solid particle, boiling, kills microorganisms, chlorination, disinfects water. Chlorination reaction Cl2 plus H2O give HCl plus HCl. HCl kills harmful microorganisms. Fourth one, industrial effluent treatment. Industries should treat waste before releasing it. Methods include chemicals treatment, biological treatment, filtration. This reduces pollution in rivers and lakes. The fifth one, protection of water sources. Protect rivers, lakes, and groundwater. Avoid contamination of wells. Keep surroundings clean. Sixth one, public awareness. People should be educated about importance of clean water, effects of pollution, ways to conserve water. Awareness helps in protecting water resources. Seventh one, governments, laws, and regulation. Governments enforce laws to control water pollution, setting standards for water quality, monitoring industrial waste, taking action against pollution. Now, summary of the maintaining water quality. Water quality can be maintained by preventing pollution, proper waste management, water treatment, filtration, boiling, chlorination, treating industrial waste, protecting water sources, public awareness, and laws. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on maintaining water quality. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.